Here you are again. Super Bowl coming up. Nothing prepared. I think I can help with that. Come on. So while everybody else is losing their minds as to what they're gonna cook, we already know. Wings got to be on the table. On the table, I'm also going to bring my personal original recipe, a Bloody Mary salsa. What else are we putting on the table? We're gonna do stuffed sweet peppers. I'm gonna fill with cream cheese, and I would like to also do a spin on a whole grain mustard roast beef sandwich. Here we're gonna kick things off with trimming up our wings, trimming them into drums and flats and discarding the tips. I'm pretty sure this is straightforward until they look like this. Then we're gonna go ahead, wash them, pat them dry. Then we're gonna season them with Old Bay and pepper flakes. After which we're going to put them on a baking tray that's lined with foil and arrange them nicely. I'm gonna set my oven to 400. Oven is at 400. Open up, I'll put the wings in, uncovered. We're gonna see you in about 30 minutes. So now I'm gonna be moving on to the next project that I think takes a little more time while the wings are going, and that is going to be the cream cheese stuffed peppers. Now, I'm going to be using a Tzatziki style sauce, and I'm subbing the yogurt for cream cheese, because the cream cheese will give me the desired consistency that I'm looking for. Here you can see that I'm removing the head of the pepper and also its membranes so I can fill inside of the pepper. I want everything to be clean and clear, so I'm also going to use a spoon to scoop some of this out. First step in making the tzatziki, we're gonna go ahead and grate our cucumber. Afterwards, we're going to squeeze and press the cucumber to get rid of any excessive water, because we know cucumbers have a lot of water. We're gonna add mint and dill. The mint will bring a refreshing crisp flavor, while the dill has a herby, subtle grass note and a slightly citrus flavor towards it. Gonna add honey to sweeten things up. Then we're gonna add the mixture we just made with the herbs and the cucumbers. And we're just going to give that a good proper mix. I realized that it needed salt. I tasted it and decided to add a touch of salt just to get a better flavor. After which, we're going to fill a piping bag with this mixture, and I'd love to show you how to fill these peppers. They're all small and I want it to be as precise as possible. And I'm going to fill each one individually. So if I were to plate these little tzatziki cream cheese filled peppers, this is how I would do it.
Let me write.
I've I've never done this before. This probably also is a Travis original. I'm gonna have to try this before everybody else does, because if this is banging, we're on a whole different page. Bombakla! Yo. Into that, I just want to check on the wings to make sure that they're all good. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do the sauce for the wings, and I'm going to toss them nice and warm. Butter goes in. I am going to go Ploy, sweet chili sauce, just a bit, and I'm going to go sesame oil, just a few dabbles. Let's go ahead and plate these up. So what I'm making here is the Bloody Mary salsa, Travis's original Bloody Mary salsa. And it's the base of it is no different than your regular salsa, which has tomatoes, jalapenos, red onions, and cilantro. I'm gonna mix this. I'm gonna add some olive oil. I'm gonna add olive oil, salt, and pepper. And lime juice, and then I'm gonna mix this, and then I'm gonna take a little bit for the guacamole. I'm gonna add these diced tomatoes, but I want more juice than the tomatoes themselves. I'm gonna add horseradish, give it a little kick, and the juice from the horseradish as well is very important. A little more olive oil, more salt, to bring things together here. Now for the guacamole, I've sliced the avocado in half, twist and open, and I can see that it's very ripe. It's ready to go. The pit moves easily, and I'm just gonna scoop carefully with my spoon and lay it here. So because I don't own a pestle and mortar, I'm going to have to come up with an ingenuitive way in order to crush these avocados. So what I've decided to do, use my potato ricer. It also comes with a few adjustments. So all I'm gonna do is, I took the largest adjustment, take it, and I'm gonna push it through. That should make my avocados squishy enough that I can work with them, and this is the result. That's more than enough. Easy peasy work. So for the beef, we're gonna go with a little bit of stone ground mustard, mayonnaise. I want to make enough for 2 sandwiches. And horseradish. So for the sandwich, I'm gonna go ahead and toast my ciabatta bread. Also, I have prepared over here simmering a beef broth that I'm gonna dip the roast beef in to get a little more flavor inside before I plate.
Mami eres pura adrenalina, adrenalina. Mami eres pura adrenalina. Mami eres pura adrenalina, adrenalina. Mami eres pura adrenalina. Mami eres pura adrenalina, adrenalina. Mami eres pura adrenalina. Mami eres pura adrenalina, adrenalina. Mami eres pura adrenalina. Mami eres pura adrenalina, adrenalina. Mami eres pura adrenalina. Mami eres pura adrenalina, adrenalina. Mami eres mami, 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 mami.
Oh my god, I had so much fun making that video. It's crazy. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. Yeah, tell me what's your favorite. Comment down below, tell me what's your favorite. Like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Please share with a friend. Share these recipes, get the word out there. Yeah, I love the video. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys did too. You know, new video coming next week. Super excited about that. And I hope to keep you guys interested in what I'm doing. Thank you.